Quality Outdoors here. Just doing the thing, finding some mushrooms out here. Check this out. We got a nice little batch. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see these right here or not, but a couple little ones right there. That's really nice. So I can make my way over here. Then found this awesome little gadget right here. Check this out. Another one right there. I can't remember where all they're at. I got more multiples. Let's see here. Got another one. Missing one there. Let's see. I think I got more. Yep. Not a bad morning.